Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sweet Pea. We are back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Sweet Pea Diaries. Be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So I know y'all are all here. Y'all are ready. Y'all are waiting for the update. Y'all want to know what the fuck is going on, but you know your girl got it. I got it for you, so we'll be right back after this little intro. So we got Snacks Mills in the building.
I wasn't even thinking about me being on the show. I wanted to produce something for them.
Cool celebrity. Like if I went to the mall and stuff, people are like, oh.
The thing was, I didn't even know that anybody ever thought I was ugly.
We look like twins almost.
Okay.
She really wouldn't be able
Covering any more subjects related. So that's why you got the raw reaction. This is pathetic. It's pathetic. Hey guys, it's your girl. I'm back. So I see everybody is in the chat. Hello everyone. Hey everybody. Let me just give a little quick shout outs real quick to my people in the chat. Hey Lynn, my mind. Hey Vanderveer. Hey Broken Heart. Hey Melanin Candy. Jalila Mink. Monica V722. Mary the Baddest Williams. Hey Christmas Passion. Hey Christina. Hey everybody. So we here 3 p.m. Now, are y'all at work? Are y'all at work? Are y'all at work? Y'all need to be working. Why y'all over here trying to find out what the fuck is going on with lying ass Tasha K? Y'all over here want to know about lying ass Tasha K. Well, guys, yes, as you know, today, Cardi and Tasha, they had their long anticipated, we've been over here waiting and anticipating the outcome of this motion for summary judgment. And like I told you over here, you know, Tasha is done. She was done. Well, let me tell you about what happened today. So, you know, over here, we make sure that we are attending. And Tasha, come on in, have a seat, because I'm pretty sure you don't even know what's going on with your shit. I don't even know if you was on the Zoom trial today. I don't even know if you was on the Zoom court today, but your lawyer was stumbling and bumbling. That judge, the Cardi's lawyer, just ate her ass up. She was all over the place, lying, stuttering and bumbling and lying, and the judge got in her ass several times. So this is what I guess people do when they are a narcissist, when they don't want to admit that they're wrong, they don't want to admit before the public, because I stayed on this shit and I had my foot on Tasha K's neck. Then she had her banshees and her hooligans, her fucking wild ass beasts of subscribers come over here cyberbullying and harassing me. But I kept my foot on your neck because I don't give a fuck about nobody harassing me. I don't give a fuck about no chats. I don't give a fuck about no comments. I don't give a fuck about your comments. Jerry Curl, whatever the fuck you called me, I don't care. I am built for tough. So I kept my foot on your neck, and I'm going to keep my foot on your neck. And I'm going to let the people know about what the fuck goes on in that courtroom. Because unlike you just don't know that court is a public affair. People can come, people can look at the documents. But you said that you was going to give it to TMZ. I didn't see TMZ there. I didn't see TMZ. TMZ was not in the Zoom audience. TMZ was not there. Bots Up wasn't there. The Jasmine brand wasn't there. Nobody was there. I was there. The Sweet Pea Diaries was there. But nobody was there that report on celebrities. No, they weren't there. They weren't checking for you. Okay, you said you were going to give it to TMZ first. Remember? You said that you were going to give it to TMZ. Where's TMZ? Where's TMZ? I don't see them. Where the fuck is TMZ, Tasha? Abso-fucking-lutely. Remember that, bitch? You had all them motherfuckers come over here and harass me. And you chased me all around YouTube. Do you remember that? Because you said I was lying, that I didn't know what the fuck I was talking about. Remember that? Okay. So let me tell you this. It started off, now I'm going to give y'all, how it started off, how it went, how things went. And basically, I'm going to, I'm going to drag this shit out like a motherfucker. I'm going to drag this shit out like a motherfucker. Because, Tasha, I don't even think you know the outcome to your own shit. Do you, bitch? I'm talking to you. The bitch that sent all them motherfucking bitches over here to harass, stalk, and cyber bully me. Do you remember that shit, you bald-headed bitch? Remember that? But now I got first-hand info. I got the motherfucking tea, bitch. I got the motherfucking tea. Your lawyers are incompetent. I don't even know, are they fucking lawyers? Are they paralegals or what the fuck? How much are you paying them? Because you could pay me. I could go and handle this shit. I could have handled it for you. But I'm going to let the people motherfucking know what the lengths you went through to get this shit to a jury trial. Yes. To get this pushed to a jury trial, Tasha K's lawyers lied. They straight up lied to the judge. Period. They lied. And the public knows, and I wanted to jump in there so fucking bad, and I wanted to be able to, judge, that bitch is lying. But the judge seen through it. But I'm going to let y'all know that Tasha K is a narcissist. She is willing to go through extreme lengths to try to prove that she can beat Cardi B. But it's going to end up hurting her in the long run. It is going to hurt her, as the judge stated. So I'm going to let y'all know, in the beginning, all right, they come on or whatever. The judge starts right off the bat by stating that Tasha should be fucking ashamed of herself for continuing to beg the court for more time. Her lawyer should be ashamed of herself for continuing to beg, he used the words beg, the court for more time. He was so irritated by Tasha's defense and the fact that she did all of this and went through this extreme length to produce videos. He was disgusted. But I'm going to bring this full circle and I'm going to let you know how they were able to get over it. So, a summary judgment, you guys remember that the summary judgment was drafted. It was issued. That shit was about to be signed because Tasha ass was late. She did not answer to the summary judgment. She didn't respond on time. So that shit was going to be signed. However, today, there was supposed to be evidence. Now, when you hear a summary judgment, what the judge was there to do was hear Tasha's defense as to what additional evidence do you have to support your defense. What you've shown right now, Cardi B can win this case. She is won. It's over. I'm assigning it. What can you give to me that needs to be, a jury needs to see it? What is it that you're going to enter into evidence that a jury needs to review? So that's what we were basically here today to see? What do you have to present to me that a jury needs to review? Where is it? What is it? So basically, Tasha's defense and what she wants to have the jury review is a video from Pornhub, and her defense is that Cardi B made up a false profile on Instagram and was DMing her. See, these are the lies, but we all know that this isn't true. But this is the lies that she had her lawyers pitch to the judge. Well, first off, let me rewind it. There was another lie. Yeah, there was another lie. The other lie, the first lie was, oh, I am having emotional distress while I was pregnant because Cardi B and Schemo were harassing me and they were threatening me, and it caused me emotional distress. So the judge stated that it doesn't show that anywhere in your medical records. Where does it show in your documentation that you were stressed out, that they caused you harm? So that was a lie that they were caught in right there. That was a lie, and the judge clearly let it be known that he knew that that was a lie. Okay? So now we move on into another lie, the next lie, that, oh, Cardi B had created a fake profile on Instagram and was DMing Tasha with these stories stating that Cardi B was cheating on Offset, or Offset cheated on Cardi B, or this story or that story. Oh yeah, the beer bottle. Somebody DM'd me from a fake profile, but I believe it was Cardi B, but I'm not sure if it was Cardi B, but I think it was Cardi B because it was a fake profile because it didn't have a lot of followers, but I'm not sure it was Cardi B, but it looked like it was Cardi B because they wanted to set me up because they knew I would report on the story. So they wanted to set me up, Judge. It was a fake profile, and I bought into the shit. And so that caused me to make videos. And that's what my defense is. And I want a jury to look at this, and I want them to see that it's Cardi B. Oh, and cold sores on somebody's mouth means that they're herpes. So that's why I call her Herpes B. The judge says, so you want to mean to say that just because a person has cold sores on their mouth, that means that they have herpes? He said, I'm sorry, but in grade school, I was never taught that just because you see sores on someone's mouth, that means that they have herpes. He said, is that what you're trying to say, counsel? To Tasha's lawyer. So is that what you mean to say, counsel? And actually, when you refer to these two women, please don't use pronouns. Please don't use she and her. Please use defendant and plaintiff, please. Because she, her, she, I don't know who you're talking about. There's two women. So can you please use plaintiff and defendant? Bitch, I fell out. You have to tell a lawyer to use the word plaintiff and defendant and not she and her, bitch. Okay. I told you, Tasha, you could have hired me. I could have represented you. So basically, the defense, and so the judge was like, so you want me and you want a jury to take a look at videos and evidence that I don't even think you're going to be able to get admissible. He straight up told them the evidence that you're trying to present, I don't even think it's going to be admissible. So the evidence that you want a jury to take a look at and decide whether they can rule on it or not is shit that is up in the air, shit that's up in question. How are you going to present the facts that you believe that it was true that Cardi B had herpes and HPV? How are you going to be able to present that? That's the judge's question. Tasha Tasha's lawyer stumbling and bumbling all over the damn place. I believe, fumbling paper. I believe, but. Cardi has already taken an HPV test, herpes test. She don't have it. You don't just get herpes. You don't just get HPV. If you have that, it's in your system. So when you said these statements 2 years ago, 3 years ago, so now you want these people to waste more taxpayer dollars on your lying ass just because you don't want to admit to the public that your ass lost this case. You're wrong. And so the judge is like, so Miss Kibi's defense is that she believed that the fake profile, and she knew it was a fake profile, but she thought it was Cardi B trying to trap her in to making videos. So then she went and made the videos. Basically lying to the judge to get more time, which it's not going to be more time. It's going to be Tasha making it worse and worse for herself. Because as we get to it, that is exactly what the judge states. And he basically states that Tasha is done. She is done. He's basically encouraged them to settle this shit out of court. He's encouraging Tasha's lawyer to get with Cardi B's lawyers and settle this shit out of court. Because if it goes to jury trial, which it's going to go, it's going to trial September. Oh, Tasha, your court date is September 13th. Okay? Your court date to start trial is September 13th. Okay? And the judge stated, if this is all you have, if this is the defense that you want to present in front of the jury, you want to leave it up to them to determine whether that Pornhub video was Cardi actually putting a beer bottle up her private, which Cardi's lawyers already pointed out that you admitted in deposition that you said it wasn't her. And you admitted in deposition that Cardi B had herpes, Cardi B had HPV. You say it several times in your videos. So you want the jury to look at a video and decide if that's Cardi B or not. You want the jury to decide. So the judge is like, so that's what y'all want to go to trial with? You want the jury to make these decisions? This is what you want to present in front of a jury. So if that's what you want to do, I can absolutely tell you right now that your client is, it will be probably found in the favor of the plaintiff. Your client is going to lose, and your client is going to lose even more profoundly and be more financially responsible than she is now. Yeah. So, Tasha, I don't know, girl. I don't know. But y'all know my lights and stuff. I get to sweating, child, because I'm excited. But Cardi B has basically won this lawsuit. I keep telling y'all that. It doesn't matter whether she win now, whether she win later, and the judge stated that he still can sign the summary judgment. He could sign the summary judgment at any moment. He stated, even if your client was to still go to trial, even if she were to go all the way to jury trial, I still can sign this summary judgment. The plaintiff can still, basically, I can still sign that Tasha take the videos down and you still can be on trial. And what is it for? What is it for? Give me a break. We're going to take a quick break. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Thank you. I'm sorry. I have not been feeling well. I was actually in the ER not too long ago, and so I have not been feeling well. I'm not at 100%, so just excuse me. Um, you know, it's been one of those days. I'm really not my 100%, but actually, so the whole thing with this case, it just really boils down to if we get to be serious about it. We're here because someone committed defamation, okay? That's a serious situation. Cardi B's lawyers brought attention to the fact that just because Cardi B is a provocative artist, her videos are provocative, because the judge did he did make a point in mentioning that Cardi B, she has videos and that are in a provocative nature. She shows her body, she alludes to the fact that, you maybe used to live that lifestyle or lives a provocative lifestyle. So someone could assume and make videos that she caught herpes or HPV or whatever. He made that statement, but he did also state it doesn't give you the right to make videos about someone. You know what I mean? So, and I'm not saying allegedly, I'm not saying any of that over here, because it's the truth. I was there, I heard it, I witnessed it. So I'm not saying allegedly, because it is true. Everything that I'm stating is true. Was court, and there was other people there. I don't know if they were bloggers. I don't know if they were the public. I don't know, but it was a lot of people there. It wasn't just Cardi B's lawyers and Tasha's lawyers. There were other public spectators. So anyone could report on what I'm reporting on. So this isn't slander. This isn't, no, it was a court public attendance you can attend. So basically, he wanted to try to be like, well, Cardi is a provocative woman. She shows that in her videos. But Cardi B's lawyers made it a fact that a woman does not have to have sexually transmitted diseases. And they made a point in stating this, that just because she acts like that doesn't mean that she deserves to be having videos made about her. And that's the point of all of this. Tasha K, just because Cardi B is who she is and how she is or whatever, it doesn't give you the right to go around YouTube telling this woman that she's, a bad mother, she's a whore, she's a prostitute, she's putting beer bottles up her pipe, she's got HPV, she's got herpes, all of that. All bloggers out there, when you're making videos, you don't have to slander people, and you don't got to defame their character in order to get clicks and views. That's what I am trying to get across to people. Don't make false statements. Don't make false videos. Don't try to produce fake ass fucking receipts just to have videos. I'm currently going through the same fucking shit. Don't try to produce shit and put it in such a way that's going to suit you. But the sad part about Tasha is that she's doing this and she is lying. And we all know, people that watch, people that see how Tasha move out here in YouTube, the judge doesn't know that. He don't watch it. But oh, Tasha, you're doing yourself a huge disjustice, because as this goes on and they start really digging and looking at the videos and the jury looks at them, you're going to be more financially liable than you are now, is what the judge stated. Your lawyer might come back to you and lie, and your ass might try to come back to the public and lie. But I was there. I heard it. I seen it. You got these people out here fucking lying for you. You got that goddamn white bitch up there committing perjury for your ass just because you don't want to admit to the public that you lost. So now it becomes a vendetta against not only Cardi B, but me and other bloggers that reported that you had this damn summary judgment and your ass is done. So now you got this white girl, get it extended, get it this, push it to a trial. You want to do anything to extend it. But I'm trying to explain to the public, just because something goes on and it continues to go on, doesn't mean it's in Tasha K's favor. It is not. Trust and believe it's not. The judge stated The longer this shit goes on, the longer Tasha drags this on, the more financially liable she is going to be. He is asking in the court, how is it that she's going to be able to prove that Cardi B had herpes, Cardi B had HPV? So you guys are going to produce evidence in videos, in the form of videos, that Cardi B had HPV, herpes, she cheated on her husband, and she put that beer bottle up her private. You want a jury to decide this. So, you guys, like I said, Tasha has lost this lawsuit. Whether it is today, whether it is in September, she has lost. The judge encouraged them to settle out of court. For Tasha to settle this shit out of court, or if not, when it goes in September, she's going to be more financially liable than she is today. So everybody that's going to come in my comments, that's going to say, Sweet Pea, I thought they were going to sign the summary judgment, they still can sign the summary judgment. The judge stated, even if your plaintiff, if I, even defendant, if I allow for the plaintiff to rule on this summary judgment, the defendant is going to be more financially liable as she drags this on. So the summary judgment is just basically the judge stating Cardi can have these videos taken down. Tasha got to stop talking about her. So, like I said, you know, y'all, I have not really been feeling well. I'm still not well, but I wanted to bring you an update. People were asking what is going on. How's everything? And this is basically what it is. Tasha is lying. She's lying to the judge. She's got her lawyers up there lying to extend it. And that she wants public perception to be that she's winning. That just because time goes on, just because they're still in with this trial, that she's winning. Because it's still being extended. No, that doesn't mean that. I heard it from myself today. The judge stated the plaintiff will win. The plaintiff will prevail. And Tasha will be more financially liable. So I'm looking for Tasha to settle this. Girl, you need to settle. You need to get with your soul and get with you. Find some bitch. I didn't want to tell everybody. I gotta take down these fucking videos. God damn it. I gotta take down all these fucking videos. Fucking million motherfucking shit. Fucking interrogatory. Fucking shit. What the fuck? Crazy shit. Fucking shit. This will be too much motherfucking money. All these fucking videos. Fucking shit. Fucking shit. Fucking Cardi, that fucking stinking bitch. I can't stand that. Bitch, you do got motherfucking herpes. Bitch. Tasha, just admit that you were wrong. Admit that you just wanted to do it for clicks and views. Tell everybody, bitch. Y'all can come over here all y'all want. Y'all can come over here and say, I thought she was going to stay. Bitch, your leader is lying in order to appease y'all. Because she doesn't want to admit in front of y'all that she was wrong, that she lost, that she got to pay Cardi B. But your girl, Sweet Pea, heard it here first. I'm sweating my lights. I got to go. I am not well. Like I said, I told y'all I don't feel well. So I did it for y'all. I brought y'all this update because I love y'all. Y'all my people. And I wanted you to hear it here first. Tasha K put her lawyers up to lying so that she could get a jury trial. The judge basically told her, if this is what you're going to prevent, what you're going to submit to the jury, you're going to lose. And you're going to be more financially liable than you are now. So I encourage you to settle this out of court, or you're going to have to be paying this girl more money. And, you know, if this goes to trial, if they, don't settle before September, if Cardi and Tasha don't work it out, other bloggers may be subpoenaed. That might be a possibility as well, that bloggers might be subpoenaed. So, you guys, I brought you the update. That's all I have. I'm going to go get some rest. Like I said, I'm not feeling well. I'm severely dehydrated. That was the prognosis. And so I'm going to go take me a nap and go get myself together. You guys be good. I love you guys. Don't be letting this bitch lie. Tasha K is a fucking liar, okay? She's not winning this lawsuit. She's pushing it out for the public because she does not want to admit that she is wrong. She doesn't want to admit that she lost. in front of everyone, because me, myself, other people have reported on it, and we have kept our foot on her neck and stated and showed everybody that she's losing. And people like me are not going to stop until everybody knows the truth. And you could seal documents all you want. I'm going to keep coming to the Zoom. I'm going to keep, it is public. You can request that, oh, judge, oh, people. No, court is a public attendance. People could attend. And I'm going to continue to attend. Because you ain't going to pull a fast one on these motherfucking people out here. Because I know how your ass is. You are a liar. You are so pathetic. You lie every day. You lie on people. You lie for clicks and views. You go get people, mistresses of people that are in marriage trouble, and bring it to the people. Like, everybody has marital problems. You go get mistresses and fucking interview them to try to destroy people's marriage even further and humiliate people. But y'all out there like to see shit like that. What if your ass was being cheated on and your husband, it's a rumor that your husband got like young bitches. But is anybody out there trying to find bitches that your husband is fucking and interview them? No. You are so desperate for clicks and views that your ass will do anything for them. Anything to build a channel. Anything to build subscribers. I'm not willing to go that far. I don't give a fuck. This shit can grow, not grow, whatever. Whatever. I don't care. I do it for the people. I do it for truth. Your ass is willing to go as far as to the moon for a fucking click and a view. Y'all created this damn monster. Y'all like all this fucking tea and want to know about people motherfucking private business. But like I said, like, share, subscribe. Y'all been great. I love you guys. I will continue to follow the story. But I'm going to go get some rest. I love you guys. Y'all be good.